Arrive in style with this 2007 Hyundai Veracruz. This may be the set of wheels you've been looking for. This vehicle comes with a reliable 6-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Enjoy these notable features: intermittent wipers, CD player, integrated turn signal mirrors, traction control, security system, power steering, and trip computer. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.